Huh? Oh, okay. Welcome, YouTube world, Krump world, one and only Hot Sauce, aka Tiny Cloud, or Traxnova, Yandra Best, whatever you like. Shout out to little Traxnova, Nova fam, all of them cats, Jackamus, all of them. Yo, this is a tutorial on how to make a Krump Beat. So it's kind of ghetto because I don't know how to do the little monitor video or whatever, but I'm gonna try my best to show you how I do a Krump Beat. Alright, check this out. Basically, I'm gonna sample Methodist. Shout out to the homie. I like one of his beats, the old K-Rap anthem. So what I did was I took his famous beat, sampled it. Yeah, you know that. I took that part, went to this part right here, the piano roll down here. You can change the notes, the depth of it. You get that? I put it on C6 right here. Right there. Got me some kicks. Simple stuff. So what I did was I took it down and made a beat out of it like this. You see that? So let's do that again. Piano roll. See that? So if you're wondering how I did that, just keep it like this. Basically take the sample like I said. Change it. Get a kick. Add a breakdown. My kicks. That's called a breakdown. This is called an effect. I call it radio. Simple kicks. One right here, one right there, one right here, one right there. These are the shakers. My signature. Extra kick. But yeah, main breakdown. This is what it sounds like without all the kicks and claps and stuff. Remember what I said, C5? Simple manipulating the song, just changing it. Now if I add some kicks. Change the kick patterns down here. Remember C5, C6, all that. Add some claps or some crashes. Now let's add some claps. That's a breakdown. Second breakdown. Or actually, right here. What is this? my kicks. Alright. So let's say if we wanted to manipulate the beat one more time, I would be like, so let's play the beat all over again. Thank you for watching. Yanjabes out.